I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Hello and welcome to today's video. So today is day 10. That means that it is cleaning day because it's Christmas Eve and we need to get ready for our Christmas Eve party. And yes, I will check back with you in a little while. Camera is dying, so I have to charge you and then I'll be back to the cleaning montage. For you it'll be like 2 seconds, but for me it'll be like a couple hours. See you in a little while.
Merry little Christmas.
Finally done and we are ready for the party. We're showing up at 6 and it is only 3:38, so that's really good. Now I have time to go take a shower and stuff. But this video is going to be continued, so stay tuned for tomorrow so that you can see the rest of this video. I am so tired. I wish I could take a nap right now, but I gotta get ready. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you give it a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you guys tomorrow for the continuation of this vlog. Bye, guys!